Say, hypothetically, you just spent a month really getting to know this awesome group of people. Then suddenly they all just leave. You knew it was coming, but now you're left all on your own. The absolute freedom is both liberating and daunting. But that's the deal with solo traveling, the constant battle between boundless freedom and uncertainty. When I would ask other travelers on the road why they didn't choose to travel solo, I'd often get answers like, "That seems scary," or "Doesn't it get lonely?" Maybe. Maybe being scary is a reason why you should do it. You can never know until you give it a shot. You're in full control, both in the good times and when things go wrong. You've nobody else's worries to weigh or stresses to take into account when surveying the situation. Every decision becomes yours and yours alone. No matter if it's finding a place to sleep that night, getting out of a storm in the mountains, or just choosing where to eat. The weight of all those decisions can be heavy. You've no one to bounce ideas off of or get reassuring nods that you're on the right track. You have to be completely willing to trust your instinct and trust that things will work out, because they have to. But working out just means surviving. It doesn't mean you won't feel alone. Some of the loneliest times weren't out in the mountains on a hike or anything, but when you're surrounded by people speaking a language you don't understand, all having a good time. In those moments, I'd do anything to be with someone I know and can talk with. When you return, people will ask, "What was your favorite place?" or something similar. But your answer doesn't take them there. Nobody else was there. How are you supposed to experience all these amazing things but you can't share them with anyone? What was the point? Did it really happen if no one else was there to see it? So why do it? Well, honestly, I went into this trying to prove to myself and others that I could be completely independent. Sure, I proved that I could navigate foreign cities and problem solve, but that didn't end up being the real point. I would always hear that you would learn something about yourself when solo traveling. I had an idea about what I would learn about myself, but that isn't how this works. I went in with this idea that maybe I would figure out what I wanted to do with my life or something, but until I sat on mountainsides and city benches, wishing I could share the experience with someone else, I never would have learned just how much I value strengthening connections with the people around me.